Welcome back, mortals. I have another painting for you. This week, I have a cityscape. I do normally paint a lot of landscapes, nature and monsters, but I do really like the aesthetic of a back alley at nighttime with tons of glowing lights. So that's what I wanted to do this week. And you'll notice I didn't start with a grayscale painting this time. I wanted to start with the colors of the background, which were pretty dark, and then add the light values on top of it. And you can see I'm adding signs in here. I had a lot of fun with the signs. That first sign says stuff sold here. And that sign that I'm working on ended up saying gold, bought and sell and trade here. But the other signs that I put in here all had streamers' names or somebody who stopped in the chat. I didn't have enough signs for everyone who stopped in there, but that's where I got the ideas from the signs. And I do think this one turned out pretty good for not painting cityscapes all that often. Anyways, this took me around 2.5 hours to do, and I've sped it up here to around 3 minutes. If you like the time lapse, give the video a like, maybe subscribe if you want to see more. And if you want to join the awesome people in my chat, you can do that live on Twitch at twitch.tv/twowheelsandcoffee. I usually stream on Fridays and Saturdays. And if I have any really good ideas, I'll stream more often than that. Anyways, enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.